Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on again settings app and click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset, click on reset network and mobile setting. Reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on continue. After click on continue, click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.